And here we are at another one of these morning thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. It's the freaking weekend, baby! Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Give yourself a round of applause. You've made it through the week, all right? Shout out to all my people going out to work this morning. It's the freaking weekend, and we are here, all right? I love the weekend. Shout out to the people going out to work this morning. Shout out to my people coming in from work. Shout out to my people working 2 jobs. Shout out extra special, big up, shout out to the people who work 2 jobs. Shout out to the people who work those doubles. That's like working 2 jobs in itself. But I'm telling you, there's a special thing about working 2 jobs. I did it before, and I had to drive across town to go to the other job. And I had a 1-hour break in between the 2 jobs. 2 8-hour jobs with 1 hour break in between. And it took me about 35, 40 minutes to get to the other job. So working in the same facility, but doing 2 back-to-back shifts, that's tiring. That's tiring. But those people who having to go from one facility to another facility somewhere across town, and you have like that 1 little break, or you have to go home and sleep and then wake up and go. Big up on yourself, man. Big up each and every one of you. Shout out to my truck drivers, my Uber drivers, my Lyft drivers, my big up long distance truck driver them. Shout out to the people them. Let me see. My moms and pops, grandparents, man, shout out to everybody. If I didn't say shout out to you specifically and your profession, my entrepreneurs specifically, stay-at-home moms and dads, if I didn't say it to you specifically, just know, sir, it's still the same. As long as you're one of those good-hearted, clean-minded people that wish good for others and wish good for yourself, this shout-out is for you, all right? Big up on yourself. I'm on a high this morning, and it's really, really early. It's dark out still. It's actually 5 o'clock here, 5 a.m. right now as I sit here, and I'm looking forward to starting the day. I got a lot going on. Let me see. This is day 9 of no meat, no dairy. I can already see changes in myself. I see my face slimming down. I see my body slimming down like rapidly. This is not a lose weight thing. This is just want to clean out for a while, right? So it's a 30-day challenge that myself and my wife have embarked on, and this is day number 9 of no meat, no dairy. We haven't had any meat and any dairy. Everything we've had so far has been strictly vegetable made. We even had hamburgers because people are asking us, SouFlo, I want to follow the diet. I want to follow the 30-day challenge, the no meat challenge, but I don't know what to eat. And I'm telling people to start out with some vegetables. Read the comment section, because there are people in the comment sections under these videos that are living this lifestyle and have been living it for years. I have some people on here that have been living this for 20 years, right? We're just trying it out for 30 days. Start with fruits and vegetables. And then you can start by steaming some veggies and then just lay it on a bed of brown rice. I also take supplemental vitamins, which just to make up for the things that might be lacking in my diet, you know. So even cheese, we found cheese that's made from strictly, it looks like a slice of cheese. It tastes almost like a slice of cheese, but I could taste the carrot and stuff in it, right? And it actually tastes even better than cheese. So we did hamburgers yesterday, but it was more grass burgers kind of thing. And it tasted really good. Had sausages in the morning with stir-fried vegetable, and it tasted really good. And I could read everything on the ingredients. You know, a lot of the stuff that we're eating at the grocery stores is, the ingredients are so long. Half of the stuff in it you cannot pronounce, right? So I'm getting to the stage in life now where I'm becoming very, very conscious again of what it is I'm putting on my body and in my body. Like the deodorants that we wear. I could tell my females out there that your breasts are right here and your armpit is right next door to it. So whatever you put under your armpits it's going through to your breast, to the glands in your tatas. And it's probably no wonder so many females end up with breast cancer and these types of stuff. So I'm being very conscious of what I'm putting into my body at the moment. The vegan stuff is going very well. We found vegan everything, and without soy. I don't do the soy thing either because it's not healthy, as I've learned. It's not healthy for men. But I do notice that in the Caribbean, it's all soy milk that's been imported for little baby boys, so on and so forth. Even here, Kai's milk is soy. It has soy in it. So we can't wait to get him off of it, wean him off of it onto real food. And he's starting to get to that age now where we can crush up a potato and crush up a carrot, boil it and then crush it up and that kind of stuff. So it's going really well. Whoever else is out there meeting this 30-day challenge, then go ahead and jump in. Somebody said we should add 30 days of no sex as well. We have a small child, plus we have all the other children here. Everybody is together in one house for the summer. So you can imagine what that is going to be like already. It's 5 kids, right? So, but we're enjoying ourselves, and I hope everybody else out there, not to draw this out too long and talk about stuff that makes no sense, but everybody else that's out there, I wish nothing but the best for you. I hope that you are around people that truly love you and are here to go the distance with you. One of the things that I went to bed thinking last night, or woke up this morning thinking rather, was stop treating temporary people like they're permanent. And stop treating permanent people like they're temporary. I did a video long ago where I talked about root people versus leaves, stems, branches, so on and so forth. Life is like a tree. The people in your life, they're like a tree, right? And you have the root people compared to the leaves. The leaves are the ones that, you know, they show up when the seasons are changing and things are pretty and everything, but the first strong wind comes through your life and blow, the leaves are gone. Those are those people that come through, they take what they want, and they leave, right? Now, mind you, everybody serves their purpose regardless, but you must know how to treat who, right? Then you have the branches. The branches are pretty much like the leaves, except for they stick around just a bit longer. But if a stronger gust of wind comes by, then the branches are gone too, right? And then you have the trunk. And the trunk is going to take a massive winds to move the trunk. The root holds the trunk. The root holds everything. Root people are the ones that you want to treat like permanent people. You want to give them all the love and the respect. They're there for you. They're always going to be there for you no matter what. Some people come into your life to stay, and some people come into your life because they're there to teach you a lesson and they're just passing through. You know what I mean? So I woke up thinking that this morning, and I want you to think about the same as you go about your week, as you go about your weekend. And I always say this on every video that is a freaking weekend video. I always say, make sure that you surround yourself with people. Take stock of your circle and make sure you surround yourself with people that actually do care about you, that actually do love you, and people that you enjoy being around, you care about, and you love as well. So your vibration is high and y'all are vibing. I'm going to close this video out by saying this. If your energy, your vibe tells you something about someone, and it tells you that all the time, then trust that energy. Trust that vibe. Life is not as complicated as we make it. We're the ones that walk ourselves into trouble 99% of the time. We tell ourselves stuff's not there when it's blatantly there in front of us. You know what I'm saying? We tell ourselves it's not so when obviously everyone else sees that it's so. We just refuse to see that it's so for whatever little enjoyment we're getting out of it. So just go ahead and take stock of your circle and make sure that you're surrounded by people that do love you, genuinely love you, if you know what love is. I also always say on these videos that self-love is the best love. And if you don't have that love, you don't know how to love anyone else. It comes with a lot of respect and a lot of acceptance. Yes? And once you're able to do that and genuinely, truly love yourself 100%, then you'll understand what it's like to give that love to somebody else. So make sure you're loving yourself as well. Make sure you're taking care of yourself. Make sure you're respecting yourself. Respect of yourself is self-love. All right? And I'll talk to you some other time on some other video. There should be some Dear Pastor coming up this weekend just to spice things up and make it a laughing, fun, funny weekend. All right? I love y'all, man. Manners and respect every single time. Up, up, up. And we haven't said that in a while. And for those of you who don't know what it means wake up, wise up, and rise up. Think about it. I'm out. Peace.